Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Melanated Beauty, where I show you the ins and outs of my interior design style and home decor project. Balcony makeover for my small apartment, and since my apartment is small, my balcony is super small. So just going to be using stuff that I already have in the home and just redecorating and creating a nice relaxing atmosphere where me and my boyfriend can sit out there and enjoy, you know, eating or relaxing and just talking. I actually have a huge peacock chair that I thrifted a while back. I got it from the Habitat Humanity Restore. It was only $45, which is an amazing deal. Just want to create some extra seating in case we have any company. So yeah, I just want to create extra seating in case people come over and want to enjoy, you know, being entertained at mi casa. So the only dilemma is that I'm working with this tiny, small balcony. I did this DIY for, you know, just me and Daniel to eat on in the summertime if we want to eat out here and enjoy the nature. I do appreciate all of the trees. So after cleaning and prepping the balcony, I laid down this 5 Below rug. I love the pattern and the muted tones. And I added this Ottoman / coffee table for additional seating. And this is a DIY that I did a while back. I'll leave the link below of how I created this out of an old ugly Ottoman. And the star of the show, this beautiful peacock chair. It's absolutely gorgeous in person and has no flaws whatsoever. And I think I'm going to put it in this corner to get it out of the sun. I got this huge terracotta pot from Goodwill for only $12. It was originally, I believe, $55. And just for the time being, I'm going to be placing this plant inside. Eventually I will properly repot it, but for now I'm just going to use it as a decorative pot. I'm going to also be placing this Birds of Paradise plant in the corner, and the pot that I have it in is from Opal House at Target, and I think it's so cute. Picking up little decorative items to use if I ever want to stage furniture or for room makeovers. So I have this 5 Below little faux throw, and also this throw pillow that I got from the Target dollar section. The pom-poms give it a super boho vibe. Here I'm just preparing some fresh fruit and a delicious smoothie to enjoy on my newly transformed balcony. And I'm just going to be adding these miniature terracotta planters. All the plants in this balcony makeover require a lot of direct sunlight, which is why I chose these plants specifically. the option to add this stool slash side table for additional seating just in case, but for this video I didn't need it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.